and thank you for calling the Auto Glass Helpline. Today we are cutting out a windshield on this 2013 Mustang, and at the request of people, we're going to cut this out with our WRD Bison to show that we can cut out smaller windshields with bigger tools. I'm going to turn our E-pump on here and pull out our line. We got some fresh FN9 line on here because my last line snapped, and we're going to drive this through right over our VIN plate, even though this one doesn't stick up. Make that a habit, and you won't have to worry about hanging a Volkswagen or an Audi or a Porsche or one of those shenanigans type VIN plates. We've already trimmed away the edge of our molding up here, as you can see, and I'm going to pull this out, string this up, and make sure we got the right side on the right side. If you can push these down and out of the way, just push them down and out of the way. Otherwise, you'll have to go underneath here and lift it up to get it underneath, because we don't want to snap those off. We want to be able to use those gravity blocks again. Come around this side, pull this one tight. Same thing. That one will just push down. That one's already kind of down. We're going to wrap this corner first. We'll use our install stick so we don't scratch paint, or our finger, one of the two. Get underneath the molding and under the glass there. Come back up here, make sure we're above that. I'm going to lift this up and out of the way. That one, we need a little more leverage, so we're going to use our ever-present screwdriver. Drag that down. Once you're between there, it should pull down and underneath without breaking that off. And grab our install stick, wrap that corner. Come back to this side, same thing. Make sure we are under our molding, like so. Back down here, under our molding. And draw up our slack. Make sure we're not wrapped around any of the wiper studs or the drive system. And let's cut out a piece of glass. We got our drag here, and drop that in, and our drill. Draw up our slack. Again, we got our dash cover here, but still sometimes these things will curl or wrinkle. Make sure you're not hung up on any of the drive controls. And then drop our dash protector in place and start cutting. Let's push this back up there. Like I said before, I'm Michael Jacksoning it with the one glove because we're still healing over here a little bit. It's a little rough putting a glove on at the moment. Stop right about there. Pull this and switch sides. Switch sides. Stick that, and we're setting this one up very similar to our bat. About halfway in between your pillar and your mirror bracket. A little one way or the other is not going to hurt anything. That's just going to be preference. Move our dash protectors over and finish our top cut first. Fold that up, make sure you don't hang any wires, and then finish our bottom part. And around the corner, it's clear on that pillar cover, and just like that, with the Bison, cut out a 2013 Mustang. So this is a good all-around tool. If you do a lot of big glass and a lot of little glass, you can do the single tool. I personally like having them both because you don't always need this much line to cut out a smaller windshield. So, or this heavy of a line. My Bat I load with P8, and my Bison I load with either FN9 or P10 line, as those are usually the heavier glue lines on some of those bigger glass like motorhomes and big utility trucks. So anyways, that is again cutting out a 2013 Mustang with our WRD Bison. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.